Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Nigerian soft and crunchy buns without baking powder. Yes, are you surprised? You can achieve a good soft buns inside and crunchy outside buns without using baking powder, and I'm going to be walking you through, and this is a video you want to watch till the end. So get your all-purpose flour, okay, and you're going to be sifting this flour. Sifting the flour is very important. It's not a process you should skip, okay? You don't want dirt into your buns. You don't want particles into your buns, okay? So you have to sift and take your time, like sift your flour. Guys, this buns recipe is what you want to try. You are definitely going to love this one. Your family will love this one. So just make sure you stick around, take your time and watch to the end, because you're going to learn something very important. You're going to learn something very good. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm sifting it, and at the end of the day I'm going to see particles at the end. Okay, so that is why I said make sure you don't skip this particular step. Okay, so if you like making your pastries, you like making anything, you have to use flour, you have to sift. Okay, so after that you're going to be adding your sugar, then next you're going to be adding your salt, okay, and you're going to combine. Like guys, this buns was so delicious. I didn't use baking powder, I didn't use milk, I didn't use egg. Yes, you had me right, and the buns came out very well. So next I'm going to be adding grated nutmeg. I'm going to combine the dry ingredients together. Just take your time, make sure that the dry ingredient is well combined. So next we are going to be adding margarine. So this is a game changer. This is what will make and soften the inside of our buns. Okay, this is what will make and soften the inside of our buns. Okay, and of course you have to use the proper quantity for you to achieve that. Okay, so using margarine or butter, okay, helps to soften your buns, and it depends on the amount of margarine you use. Okay, so make sure that you rub the margarine into the flour. Okay, take your time, make sure you rub the margarine into the flour until you get a crumbly texture. Okay, so everything depends on the measurement here, and I'm going to be leaving the measurement at the end of this video. Okay, so after that I'm going to be adding water, like normal room temperature water. Okay, I'm going to be adding vanilla flavor. Okay, so you're going to mix everything together until you get a sticky dough. So that stickiness will make us have that crunchy outside kind of buns. So we have the inside that is soft, then we have the outside that is crunchy. Okay, so you can achieve a wonderful, yummy outside crunchy buns and inside soft buns. Okay, so you're going to be mixing this thing. Just take your time, mix the dough until you get a sticky dough. So what matters there is the measurement. To achieve this, okay, you have to work by the measurement, because if you didn't get the measurement, you're going to end up having a strong buns. Remember, there was no baking powder added. Okay, so the tendency of the buns to become strong is high. So that was why I said you need to take your time, watch it first, then at the end of the day you go to the description section and get the measurement. So after that you're going to be heating up your oil. So pour in your vegetable oil and you're going to heat it up. Okay, so don't allow it to be too hot. Okay, let it be hot but not too hot, because we don't want our buns to get burnt. So once that is, you're going to be adding your buns dough, like so, as you guys can see. So make sure that the buns, okay, dough is sticky. As you guys can see, it will give it that, you know, crunchy texture outside, as you guys can see. So you're going to be flipping, okay, at intervals. You don't want your buns to get burnt. I'm going to fry this on medium heat. You don't want to fry it on high heat so that your buns will not get burnt. So guys, this is just an easy buns recipe you want to try. Like, it doesn't need so much ingredients, okay, to achieve these yummy buns. So if you don't have egg, you don't have milk, Okay, you don't have baking powder. Yes, you can still come out with this yummy looking bun, as you guys can see. So once it's golden brown, you're going to transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. And guys, this is what we have. Our buns is ready. So check the description, okay, for the measurement to achieve this exact result. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe, and as well share this video with as many persons as possible. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.